Alright, hell yeah. Let's see if we can just do a 10-minute video. I know I can't because my mind just doesn't work that way. But this video, it's the 30, 15, 15, 10, 10, 5, 5, 5, 5 to figure out exact numbers for log 1, log 2, all the way to log 10. So first, we just want to know what the hell this even is. So the equation, just so I don't lose my mind, is 10 to the x. And I think you just lost your mind. But anyway, what we want to do is say, what's 10 to the 0? 10 to the 0 power is 1. Sweet. What's 10 to the 1? Well, that's just 10. Okay, and then what's 10 to the 2? It's 10 squared. That's 100. Okay, we can friggin' stop because let's say this was... so now we just want to know what the hell x was. You know what I mean? So if we say... well, how do we get a number like 7 right here? How do we figure out what 10 to the what? 10 to the x, 10 to the what is 7. You know what I mean? No one knows. But from this we can say hell yeah. 10 to the what's it going to be? Well, it's going to be in between 0 and 1. So just choose something. If you choose 0, that's not right because it's going to be 1 and that's not 7. If you choose 1, well, that's not 7, it's going to be 10. I don't know, do you think it's going to be 0.5? Well, that's what we're getting at. So now we can, and then where does this show up? Well, one of the math teachers that gets 1 million views, mine don't get 1 million views, but we do this. 3 to the x plus 1 equals 7. All right, so yeah, we're kind of doing that. And then... now, I'm just going to do this real fast because if you go log base 3 of 3 to the x plus 1 is equal to log base 3 of 7, all this crap just goes away. You know what I mean? And you'll just have to... half of math is just saying hocus pocus, that's what it's all about. Alright, so all this is equal to log 3 of 7. But we don't know what log 3 of 7 is. So another hocus pocus, we just do this. Just change it to log 10 of 7. But then you got to divide by log 10 to the 3. So booyah. So now we got something. We know that x plus 1 is equal to log 10 to the 7 over log 10 to the 3. So what we're getting at is a lot of these problems... you know what I mean? You're probably just dealing with logs from 1 to 10. But if you get right here, if I just knew all the log base 10s of 2, log base 10 of 3, log base 10 of 7, if I just knew these exactly, I would have an answer for this. Because once we figure out this, then we subtract 1 and we got our x, baby. We got our x. But so this is where we start. Well, we already know 10 to the 0 is 1. So then you just come over here. Log of 1 is, well, that's 0. And then log of 10 is 1. Now, how the hell did you even get those? Well, we said 10 to the 0 is equal to 1. And then we said right here, 10 to the 1 is equal to 10. Yeah. So here's your, these should all be log base 10, log base 10, log base 10. Log base 10, log base 10, log base 10. Okay, sweet. So now we're just going to find out. So now log base 5, well, isn't it just halfway? Isn't this just 0.5? Hell no. Hell no, that's not 0.5. But, you know, the square root of x, I shouldn't even be doing this. But anyway, let's just do it real fast. So if we have square root of 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, what's that? That's 2. All right, and let's do square root of 9. Isn't that 3? This is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 2. This is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. And then, well, what's the square root of 0? Well, that's 0. So this thing goes up like this. And what you'll notice is it goes up real fast and then kind of tapers off. You know, this thing just tapers off. So that's the thing here. Is this just going to be 0.1? Hell no. It's going to be like 0.3. You know what I mean? And then is this going to be just 0.2? Hell no. You already had 0.3 here. So now it's just going to be like something more. And then that's where this is just gold. So if you know to start with 0. Now this is percent. Did we even do this right? Yeah. The first go ahead is going to be, so here we go. We're going to do log of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's just do it real fast. So this is 0. This is 1. Man, we need to make shorter videos. But I think you got it. So we go, this is going to be 0.3. This is going to be, so you added 30%, you know what I mean? Or I don't even know if that even makes sense. But the next one's 0.45. And then the next one is 0.6. But now you're just adding 10%. So we're just going to go 0.7. And then you're going to add 10% more. So now you're going to go 0.8. But now you're just going to keep adding 5s. 0.85, 0.9. 0.95, add another 0.5 and you got 1. Now is this accurate enough? Hell yeah. So do I have time to finish this video? For sure, we're making quick videos. So now can I just do this? Can I just do this like based on like 100%? Like the 100% rule? We're gonna go right in here and do this again. Because you're saying that, do it again. You're saying that this is 0.3, this is 0.45. And then we're going to add another 0.15. So this is 0.6. This is, now we're just adding 10. This is 0.7. Add 10. This is 0.8. But now we're just adding 5s. 0.85. 0.9. 0.95. Yeah, this is super accurate. So all you got to remember is 30%, 15, 15, 10, 10, 5, 5, 5, 5. And I don't have time for this, but the next jump, now you count by logs by like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But then you go 20, 30, 40, 60, 8, 70, 80, 100, 90, 100. You know what I mean? So log of 90 is just 1.95. So if I had log of 12, hell no. Yeah, we're not going to be able to solve that. You just make this equivalent to log of 10 because we don't count that way in the base 10 system. All right, holy Toledo, you got 2 minutes and 48 seconds to finish this. So now here's the trickety trick. If you want to get hella accurate to 2 decimal places, you just say this isn't 0.3, it's 0.301. Okay, and then if you can, if you write them all out, and then you go to this 0.6, well this is 0.602, and then if you go to the 8, this is 0.903. So there's the pattern there. Okay, what about halfway? Is this 0.7? Hell no, it's 0.69. And then put another 9 because you're a G. Okay, you know, so so halfway between 0 and 1 on the log scale, 69. We can all remember that. That's the one that you can remember. That's if you don't remember anything from this video, but it's 69 plus another 9. It's really close to 0.7, but it's just cooler that way. Okay, so how about the others? Is this, well, which one should we do? Well, this is 1, this is 0, and we got to fly because we got people coming through the door. Is this 0.45? No, this is going to be 0.477. And this is going to be 0.778. And this is going to be this is 0.954. And this is 0.845. So here, 0.954 and then 0.845. And I can never make these videos because I never have enough time. But we've got people coming through the door. But there you go. Can you remember this is 0.477? Hell yeah, because this one right here, this is the 3, this is the 6. Because this is 0.778. You know what I mean? Oh, there's the 2 7s. So anyway, you do you. And I think I'm done with this video. Thanks for joining me. And guess what? That's a video.